new bit of trail. Try not to skip any fun pieces. That road was a little tough. I didn't pull up enough on it. It's a little too heavy on the front. I hit that. What we got here? That's a good little up. There we go. Always really dry here, so it's always neat to ride when there's some good moisture in the ground. Oh, except these rocks though, they get slick. Okay. I call that section potato salad. The tires have a little bit of mud on them, but I think it's not really sticking to it, so that's good. Just almost just right. One of the reasons I like to get in here when things are a little moist, because it's always so dry here. Oh, it got me. Knocked me on the head. Good thing I have a helmet on and hand guards. That could have hurt. Near the end. One thing on this off-camber stuff, make sure I want to stay off of the front brake, and if you can, if there's a rock in the trail, you always want to try to go to the upside of the rock if you can, because if not, you can slide off the bottom edge of the trail easily because of the off-camber. Hello, cow. Goat that section. It's really off camber. Yeah, bumpy.